Alright, well, I was in the middle of changing my starter solenoid on my 89 F250, and I figured I'd just do a quick video. I already have the old one off, but so this is an 89 F250 with a 5.8 351. I got mine from Napa. ST404 is the part number. It cost me 26 bucks. Basically, if you turn the key on and you got no crank, no start, probably your starter solenoid. This is the old one. It's mounted right in here on this truck. You got 4 terminals, only 3 are used, and you got an S up there for signal, the I, and B and M, all your big posts. If you look at yours and it only has 3 used, it's going to be these 3 up here. You're not going to use the I. So in my case, there's only 3 used, so we're just ignoring the I. Start out, you'd want to disconnect the battery. Also, if this happens to you on the road or somewhere and you got a screwdriver or something, when it's mounted in there like this, you can turn the key on, and if you can't get this to trip the starter to fire it, you can jump these terminals here with a big screwdriver, or honestly any piece of metal, but be careful. But yeah, if you touch them there, it'll fire up with the key on and on. That's also a good way to test if it's your starter or the solenoid, if you're getting no crank, no start, even though it's probably this. But turn the key on and do that, and if it fires up, this is bad. So I already got the old one off, like I said. That's easy. It was just 2 5/16 bolts holding it on, a couple 5/8 nuts that hold on the ring terminals for the battery power and all that. The new one came with all new hardware, so gonna get this installed here. Should take a couple minutes. Really, you don't have to have much mechanical ability to do this. It's pretty fucking simple, so only gonna take about 10 minutes. All right, just like that, we're done. So I think I said it was a 5/8. It was actually 9/16 for the old one for the bolts, and then the new one was a 1/2 inch. So I don't know, they might have different sizes, but yeah. So just remember where everything goes. Take a picture if you can't remember. Like I said, this was a signal wire. This one goes to your starter. Now mine's oriented this way though, and this one goes to the positive of the battery. I'm not exactly sure what all these accessories are off there. I haven't owned this truck for all but a year, so not sure if everyone's gonna have this many things on that one, but everything works on this truck, so I'm not gonna mess with it. Also did an EGR valve recently, which is this, and the EGR position sensor right there, but didn't do a video of it, unfortunately. So anyways, it's all done. Time to connect the battery, and this one's done. So yeah, like I said, Napa for my starter solenoid, ST404. Comes with instructions, hardware. If you can't figure it out, you shouldn't be doing it, but pretty simple. So yeah, I guess I got some more projects for this, so maybe I'll do some more. But yeah, that's it.